From the chilled water team at OUC, the reliable one, welcome back to our district cooling video series. Our introductory video explained how OUC chilled water is delivered to your building and how your cooling system should work. Be sure to watch it first. This video takes a deeper dive into how to improve your efficiency. One of the most important indicators of your system's overall health is the delta T. A delta T of 15 degrees Fahrenheit or higher means your system is operating as it should to keep costs low. A delta T of less than 15 degrees means pumps are forced to work harder, driving up your cooling and electric bill. So, what are some potential causes of a low delta T? One culprit is the lack of a variable frequency drive on your building's chilled water pumps, or one that is operating incorrectly. A VFD is essential to ensure your building's pumps are working efficiently. The variable frequency drive increases and decreases the pump speed to match your system's differential pressure setting. In most cases, that information is transmitted from sensor lines located at the furthest air handling unit or in the mechanical room. These provide the real-time differential pressure value to your system's programmable logic controller, the computer brains of your system. Software in the PLC compares the information transmitted by the sensors to the programmed set point, then adjusts the speed of the variable frequency drive to pump accordingly. The set point was determined by the design engineer for the building and should be available if your building has graphics and software to remotely control your chilled water system. If not, you will need to contact your automation service provider who can provide you with that information. Since the differential pressure sensors are so vital to the proper operation of your system, sensing lines should be flushed at least once a year to ensure they are not clogged. Another potential problem that can lower your delta T is failed actuators on fan coils or air handling units that allow chilled water to flow even when they are switched off. All fan coils and air handlers are designed with valves that open and close when the unit is on or off. Obviously, if the unit is off, you don't want chilled water flowing through it. Chilled water flowing through the system with no heat transfer into it will lower your building's overall delta T. The most common causes of a low delta T are failed actuators or open chilled water bypass lines around air handlers. This is easy to check and should be done frequently. You can actually see the actuator on the valve open and close to ensure proper operation. You should also check the delta T of all your fan coils while they are in service. Once you know the design rating of your coils, you can compare that number to the actual performance. For example, an air handler designed with an inflow chilled water temperature of 42 degrees and an outflow water temperature of 60 degrees is an 18-degree coil. When the unit is running, you should see approximately 18 degrees of difference across the coil. If your delta T is significantly less than that, check to see if there is too much chilled water flow. Ensure that your building pumps are operating properly and are set at the correct speed for the time of year. Also, be sure your differential pressure sensor lines are flushed and operating properly. If your building consistently registers a low delta T, evaluate your system floor by floor to determine which units are causing the problem. From experience, we know that approximately 90% of low delta T issues are caused by failed actuators, differential pressure sensors that are not working properly, dirty coils, or clogged air filters. Finally, a strong preventive maintenance program is essential. Change all air handler filters regularly. Clean chilled water coils annually. Clean pump suction strainers annually. Regularly verify that valve actuators on all coils are operating properly. Frequently measure the delta T's on all your coils. Flush all differential pressure sensing lines annually. And most importantly, keep routine logs on your equipment to analyze trends. Thank you for watching. We hope this information helps you operate your building's chilled water system more efficiently. For more information, visit our webpage at ouc.com/district cooling.